The Find and Replace option in Microsoft Word allows you to quickly find and replace a word or sentence in your document. To use Find and Replace text, open a Word document. In the Home tab, select Replace. In the Find What box, type what you want to search for. In the Replace With box, type the word or sentence you want to replace it with. Select Find Next to see where your chosen text appears in the document. Select Replace to change the highlighted text, or select Replace All to replace all the text in the document. Select More if you need to search for special characters or formatting. For more Microsoft and Dell tutorials, check out the other videos on our channel and become a subscriber today.